Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to open YouTube in Chrome browser. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Like it. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to the Chrome app. Then we enter the name YouTube in the search box with you. And it comes up. As you can see, when I go, we are automatically redirected to the YouTube app. But if we want to open YouTube in Chrome instead of the app, we need to tap YouTube. Here, click Open in New Tab. And then we open this second tab here. Here, click here. As you can see, we've switched to the computer version. And now please, we've switched over right away, and we have the YouTube version here. As if we were on a cell phone. If you enjoyed and liked this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Like it. Thank you very much for watching. See you later. Goodbye.